Yeah, bado tuko Upper Hill. Tumetoka Britam Towers. Now let's walk. Remember, this is Upper Hill. Hey, look at that Mercedes Benz. Look at that Mercedes. Hey, another Mercedes. Hey, two Mercedes. Anyway, guys, as I was saying, we are at Upper Hill. This place is called Upper Hill in Nairobi. It is a very nice place. It is a very, very nice place. Today is on Saturday evening, so they are not very many people around. So let me go. And so there's this roundabout yenye inatengenezwa. Are you seeing this roundabout? It's being made. The roundabout is being made. It's being constructed. This is Britam Center stage. That's what we call it. Britam Center. Are you seeing in front of me? That is the old Britam. Remember, there's Britam Towers, just where I came from. But there's this Britam, the old one. So this is Upper Hill. You can see the roads are nice. The area is cool. You can see a Porsche Cayenne coming through. That is a Porsche Cayenne. And in front of me, that is the old Britam. That was the old Britam house. But then now we have the Britam Towers. Let us cross the road. Okay. So in front of me, wow, you can see the gardening is nice. Wow. Right? This place is beautiful. One thing you have to give it to Upper Hill, it's very clean and beautiful. Right? So let's just have an evening. Let's just have a serene evening walk. Let's just have a good evening walk. Nothing much, nothing less. And we see how this place is. So there's sunlight, but I hope you can still see where we are going. What is this one called? And this is the office of the Director of Public Prosecution. This is the Kenyan Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. Unfortunately, they never prosecute anyone. Beautiful gardening. Look at that landscaping. Beautiful. Office of the Director. So this is Upper Hill. Guys, this is Upper Hill. This is Upper Hill. So on my right is the office of the Office of the Director of the Public Prosecution, or DPP. Yeah, this is the second gate. So this area is Upper Hill, guys. A beautiful place. Nothing much, nothing less. All right. The reason why there are not very many people is because today is on Saturday. Today is on a Saturday evening. This is Saturday evening. But during weekdays, there are usually a lot of people around. During weekday, there are so many people around because most of this area is offices. Yeah, so office workers are many. It's usually packed, this area. But during the weekend, like today, on Saturday, Sunday, this area is cool, calm, and collected. Okay, so that's what's up. You can see in front there. Upper here. So capital. Yeah. So is this building in front? That is where there is a Shah. Shah is there. So let us go. So yeah, so are you seeing that building in front? And there's some building going on down there. There's some building going on down there. But I want to be going there today. Yeah, I'll be right on.